Guys, hi, good evening. It's Piotr here. This is the Liteforex Global YouTube channel. Plenty of things going on. So I thought it's gonna be good. It's going to be smart to make an update right here ahead of the US cash close within the next 20 minutes. Overall, we started with US CPI, and we got the number very close to what market was expecting. The only thing weaker, and the thing which confirmed what we get on Friday during non-farm payrolls was the real wages, much lower than what was the market expectations. Actually, to be honest with you, dollar was not hit by that news, to be honest with you, right? So nothing extraordinary, and well, smoothly on the indices we went a little bit higher. So as you can see, S&P 500 here, right? So we were trying to move even higher till one of the news China related, right, hit the market. Well, it wasn't very new news. It was all about the tariffs on 250 billion of Chinese imports, which still will be under 25% of the tariff, and also the tariffs from the September 1st, they haven't been removed. They dropped to 7.5%. So based on the Lighthizer estimates, still something around 380 billion of imports from China is still under tariffs. So that was basically the one of the important thing which push indices a little bit lower and put the yen crosses a little bit under the pressure, right? Then also another news which I think is much more important than market realize right now. It was the Wall Street Journal based story that the Fed is thinking or trying to recognize the possibility to lend straight to the small financial institutions. So looks like there is a huge problem on the market, right? We also got some information in relation to the next repo, 35 billion till the end of the January, then 30 through the February. We don't really know. But when I see the information that Fed want to lend straight to the hedge funds, meaning that it's huge crisis there, right? Anyway, I'm watching this S&P index. I wanna see where we are going to get the close. Nothing extraordinary right now. If you remember the previous week, right, we hit the bottom of that megaphone formation with the stop count. So right now we are hitting some stops above. Well, I can't see any aggressive buying, right? But someone is really trying to hold that market up. Of course, it's a Tuesday, so the thing is here that as long as we are above this weekly open, looks like bulls might be still good. I'm looking to sell again anyway, right? So I'm going to watch where we are going to get the close, and I'm going to make the updates tomorrow if necessary when it comes to the S&P. Okay. Now, Let's switch to the euro dollar. Just 1 second, because something went wrong on my side here, guys. Sorry. All right, that should be better right now, right here. Anyway, let's switch to the euro dollar. All right, so again, it was the stop count to the downside, right? Based on the Monday price action, we hit the stops under the weekly open, the blue dotted line, all right, over here, and we hit the zone, the latest weakness over here, right, and the yellow one, we discussed it. I've been long, right? I grabbed just few pips, nothing extraordinary, guys. A little bit of the recovery higher. I don't like this type of the daily close here, right? We might see retest tomorrow. So I truly believe, and still, while we are above weekly open, where we are above post non-farm payrolls and today's CPI, right? Still, we've got a little bit of the room to the upside, and again, from the day trading perspective, I'm going to look to buy the dips. And the most important thing is, some may ask, okay, Piotr, where is your dip? I do expect a retest, so over under levels close to the weekly open, but I'm going to be very, very careful and cautious. I want to see what's going to happen during the Tokyo session, mostly because of the yen crosses, right? I'm still sitting short Aussie yen, right? But that's what you know. I'm still sitting. There is a possibility of the swing high creation, so that would be great. Also, I'm sitting short cable, right? We were discussing move back towards the weekly open, or maybe attempt to trying to close the gap. It's all about where we are going to get the close. I might close that trade, right, later today. So guys, be very careful, do your own research. It's not the financial advice, right? I took it based on the 1-to-1, based on the weekly open retest. So that's what we discussed. So I didn't discover America. I'm sitting short on the cable. Also, dollar yen, based on what we get, those news I've mentioned, right? Spike to the downside. I placed the order, and looks like I took it ideally. And with this one, I may close cable, but with this one, I'm going to try to survive through the Tokyo session. The first target are levels close to 109.60, 109.40. All these towards the weekly open. We'll see what's going to happen on that one, right? Also, I'm waiting for the possibility. To open long again euro pound. I've been, if you remember, I've been long already. I had like 70 pips stop profit for the remaining half, which been hit. All right, so right here, right now, as you can see, I'm waiting with 3 small orders to try to buy euro pound. Maybe the overnight session will bring something here, and I'm gonna be lucky enough and going to have a possibility to try to trade euro pound to the upside. So again, plenty of news hit the market. The daily close, that's what I'm gonna to watch. Still, we have more than 10 minutes to go, right? I'm long yen overall, right? I've been tiny long on the euro dollar, but I grabbed just few pips and I closed that one. I'm sitting short cable, looking to buy euro pound. So overall, I'm more negative towards the cable right now than towards the dollar. So guys, that's it. That was my pleasure to be with you this evening to making this update. Nothing extraordinary post CPI here towards the end of the session was much more interesting. Don't be trapped, guys, and see you tomorrow again. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a great night. Have a great rest of the day wherever you are, right? And see you tomorrow, guys. Goodbye. Good night. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.